December 13th, card opening. We are set up in the garage where I'm going to do my card openings for most of the time. Have my little table set up. My opening, some of the Colorado relics, Ryan McMahon, Yancy Almonte, and my two bobbleheads, Ryan McMahon and Trevor Story. Got my stand, so this should be a pretty good area to go. I'll kind of show you briefly how I've been organizing. Now, it's not clean, but you know. So here's the baseball stash we have here. All the holidays. I'm going to go through and really purge this, have these set up here. I need to clean them up a little bit. Some puzzles we do and some board games sitting around and some more excess board games. But this will be the little area that I will be doing things on. I'll see if we can get it decorated and do other things. Anywho, we'll get started with Allen and Ginter. We found all three hits here, so now we're just fishing for rookies. Maybe another card. We'll take that. There's a Wander Franco. Castellanos. Matsui. Steve Garvey. And Bob Gibson. Rice, Brett Matthews, Jonathan India, Naylor, Guerrero Jr. We have a Suzuki. This is a rookie short print. It's a nice looking card. Pulled two of those last year. Both were Ian Anderson, believe it or not. I just need to get a trash in here. Be able to get that fairly easy. I'll do my painting in here too. And a place to go and just need some quietness. Yanni Molina, Buchmann, Gurriel, Mancini, Concepcion. The minis hiding. Strasburg. And Famous Rivals, New York Slice for Chicago Deep Dish. I like both of them, really. Gone to a head. The New York Slice is probably slightly better. Kelenic, Charlie Sheen, Garrett, Ron Hayes, Wendell Cruz, Inside the Park, Death Valley, and Mike Trout. And that's it for the Allen and Ginter Hobby Box. Still Bowman Chrome. Got Zach Veen on the back. Bryce Harper, Joey Gallo, Juan Soto Refractor, Hassel, and Zach Veen, black and white. Will go well with my warning. All right, well, we'll have to put them up next to each other. Go get a sleeve out. Who do I cover? Carlton Fisk. Cover Christian Javier 5. Juan Soto and one more Bowman Chrome. You have to let me know what you think of the setup. And we'll have some getting organized cards. The bobbleheads I like, but they bob at this table a lot, especially Trevor Story. Mookie Betts, Andrew Vaughn, Jordan Moore, Colson Montgomery, and Wes Kath. That's all for this video. You take care.